The OTC HID tester, part number 2802, is a device used to test high-intensity discharge, or HID, lighting fixtures. It's designed to assess the functionality of the ballast, igniter, and bulb within the fixture. The tester provides readings for output voltage, current, and power factor, offering a comprehensive analysis of the fixture's performance. It also measures the arc length and ignition time, giving further insight into the bulb's operation. The OTC 2802 is suitable for HID fixtures up to 500 watts. The price range for the OTC 2802 is approximately $800 to $1,000. An alternative option is the OTC HID or LED tester, part number 2803. This tester is capable of testing both HID and light-emitting diode, or LED, fixtures. Some original equipment manufacturers, or OEM, offer specialized testers specifically designed for their own HID fixtures. To purchase these testers, you can check with automotive parts distributors and online retailers such as Amazon and ToolNut. When using the tester, it's important to follow the manufacturer's instructions to ensure accurate results. The tester typically screws into the HID bulb socket and is powered by the vehicle's electrical system. The tester is inserted into the HID bulb socket. Its power comes from the vehicle's electrical system. Always refer to the instructions from the manufacturer when you use the tester. This ensures that the results are accurate. When assessing HID fixtures, understanding the components and their functions is essential. The ballast regulates the voltage to the bulb. The igniter provides the initial high voltage pulse to start the arc. The bulb produces light when the arc is sustained. The tester measures output voltage, which indicates the electrical potential difference. Current measures the flow of electrical charge. Power factor indicates the efficiency of power usage. Arc length is the distance between the electrodes within the bulb. Ignition time is the duration it takes for the arc to start. For example, consider a scenario where an HID headlight is not functioning correctly. Firstly, visually inspect the bulb for any signs of damage such as cracks or discoloration. Secondly, use the HID fixture tester to diagnose the issue. If the tester indicates a low output voltage, the ballast might be failing. If the ignition time is excessively long, the igniter may be faulty. If the bulb does not light up at all, the bulb itself could be defective. When using an HID fixture tester, make sure the power is off before connecting or disconnecting the tester. Follow all safety precautions. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, or PPE, such as safety glasses and gloves. Do not perform tests in wet or damp environments. Ensure that the tester is compatible with the voltage and wattage of the HID fixture you are testing. Consult the manufacturer's specifications for the correct testing procedures. If the tester displays error messages, consult the user manual for troubleshooting steps. Periodically calibrate the tester to maintain accuracy. Store the tester in a dry and safe location when not in use. Some common issues with HID fixtures include flickering lights, dim output, and complete failure to ignite. These issues can be caused by a faulty ballast, igniter, or bulb. Using an HID fixture tester can help pinpoint the exact cause of the problem, saving time and money on unnecessary replacements. In addition to testing individual components, the tester can also be used to assess the overall performance of the HID fixture. This can help identify potential problems before they lead to complete failure. Regular testing and maintenance of HID fixtures can extend their lifespan and ensure optimal performance. Understanding the principles of HID lighting can also aid in troubleshooting issues. HID lamps produce light by creating an electric arc between two electrodes inside a glass tube filled with gas and metal salts. The ballast regulates the current and voltage supplied to the lamp. The igniter provides a high voltage pulse to start the arc. Different types of HID lamps include mercury vapor, metal halide, and high pressure sodium. Each type has its own characteristics and applications. When replacing HID lamps, it's important to choose the correct type and wattage for the fixture. Using the wrong lamp can damage the fixture or reduce its performance. Always disconnect the power before replacing a lamp and allow the fixture to cool down completely. Dispose of used HID lamps properly, as they contain mercury and other hazardous materials. Consider upgrading to LED lighting as a more energy efficient and environmentally friendly alternative to HID. LED lamps have a longer lifespan and consume less energy. They also do not contain mercury. Proper installation and maintenance of lighting systems are essential for safety and performance. Consult with a qualified electrician for any electrical work. Follow all local electrical codes and regulations. Inspect wiring and connections regularly for any signs of damage or corrosion. Replace any damaged components immediately. Keep lighting fixtures clean and free of debris. This can improve their performance and extend their lifespan. Ensure that lighting systems are properly grounded to prevent electrical shock hazards. Use appropriate surge protection devices to protect lighting systems from voltage spikes. Consider using lighting control systems to optimize energy efficiency and improve lighting quality. These systems can automatically adjust lighting levels based on occupancy and daylight availability. Educate yourself on the different types of lighting technologies and their applications. This can help you make informed decisions about your lighting needs. Stay up to date on the latest lighting standards and regulations. This can help you ensure that your lighting systems are safe and compliant. Participate in lighting industry events and training programs. This can help you expand your knowledge and skills in the field of lighting. By understanding the principles of HID lighting and using appropriate testing equipment, you can effectively troubleshoot and maintain HID fixtures, ensuring their optimal performance and longevity. Remember to always prioritize safety when working with electrical systems. When testing HID fixtures, pay attention to the output voltage readings. High voltage can be dangerous. Ensure the tester is properly insulated. Avoid touching any exposed metal parts while the tester is in operation. If you are not comfortable working with electrical systems, consult a qualified electrician. The information provided is for general guidance only and should not be considered a substitute for professional advice. The use of an HID fixture tester requires knowledge of electrical safety practices and familiarity with a specific tester model. Always refer to the manufacturer's instructions and safety guidelines before using the tester. Improper use of the tester can result in electric shock, equipment damage, or inaccurate readings. The responsibility for the safe and proper use of the tester lies solely with the user. By following these guidelines and safety precautions, you can safely and effectively use an HID fixture tester to diagnose and troubleshoot problems with HID lighting systems. Remember to always prioritize safety and consult with a qualified electrician if you have any doubts or concerns. Understanding the workings of the HID lighting system and the functionality of the tester are the keys to ensuring proper diagnostics and maintenance. It can be a tool that will save time and effort in the long run. Remember to always be careful when working with electricity and always consult a professional electrician when needed.